Now your turn?
Yes.
At last. I don't know, maybe not last. Please continue.
Could you tell us a bit about the way how to bring Ahmadi children up and how to teach them to be truthful and God-fearing and honest?
I think your children will face no problem. Because the best way is the one which you are already adopting. If you are truthful and your husband is truthful, then the children will be brought up in a beautiful atmosphere. Only such children go astray normally, where they find a duality of character, either in one parent or in both, or in their relationship with each other. This duality of character can be witnessed in two ways. Sometimes the mothers genuinely want their children to be truthful, but they themselves are not. They feed them with lies whenever they find it advantageous. They make them go to sleep with false declarations. They say, I'll keep sitting here with you, please go to sleep, and this and that. And when the child opens her eyes, the mother is already gone. So the children, these accidents do happen. And the children are intelligent enough to notice it right from their childhood. When they find their mothers or their fathers behaving in this way with hypocrisy, they claim they love truth, but they do not practice truth. The children will always grow with this knowledge that truth is something to be claimed but not practiced. So, as I said, I paid my compliment to Aisha, the questioner. I find her and her husband both to be consistent. It's impossible for them to invent lies to lullaby their children to sleep, or for other things as well. Sometimes the children demand for something which is beyond the capacity of the parents to fulfill. There they think they are telling innocent lies. They say, all right, we'll get you, no problem. So stop kicking and stop crying, etc. We'll bring it to you. And they know they will not. The result is the child notices this fact. He knows that for attaining some transient purpose, you can reject truth. The main thing is to achieve what you want. So the parents are behaving like this, and the children notice it, and they grow up like this. Thirdly, their consistency in their conduct in Islamic affairs. They tell their children to say namaz timely and with all its concomitants, and they do it apparently sincerely because they want the good of their children at heart. But they themselves do not say prayers like they should be said. Similarly, this theme has been built by me elaborately and in greater depth during many of my sermons and other addresses. So the short answer to the question was, Aisha and Momin, you do not have to worry about your case. I am positive that your children will be brought up in ideal atmosphere, inshallah, and as such, they will uphold the values which you uphold. And in case others, of course, they are listening. In case of others, I have explained this, This is what normally happens to destroy this objective. So don't practice these things in a manner that it should bear ill effect upon your children. Right? Good. Abdulman, I'm so sorry. No time is left for you. But the time was occupied in such important affairs that I think we'll readily accept that we'll give, inshallah, we'll turn to you tomorrow and we'll begin from you, inshallah. Right? Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.